Let's learn colors with Play-Doh and South Park toys. Who do we have here? This guy looks like Bugs Bunny with a Strech Armstrong body. Hello friends, let's learn colors. Hello Butters. Hello Cartman. Hello Kyle, Stan, Kenny. What's up boys? Let's learn the colors. Butters, everything alright buddy?
Oh sure.
Hey, you big bunny hat. I know all the colors. You can't teach me. Well, I can teach the other boys. How about we start with the blue one? Blue Play-Doh. This is a soft blue Play-Doh. Let's make a bowl so that you boys can play. Blue bowl. Let's play with the blue ball. Here, Butters. There you go. Here. Pink Play-Doh. Let's play with the pink Play-Doh. Let's make a pink dice with the Play-Doh. Here we have a dice. Let's make some numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now you learned how to do it yourself. You can make a dice from a Play-Doh. Number 2. Let's roll it again. Pretty awesome and fun to play. Look, this is black Play-Doh. We got this from the United States. It's rare to find black Play-Doh. This is red Play-Doh. And here we have yellow Play-Doh. Oh, we already have a bowl here inside. You wanna play? Awesome. Hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.